Hello, in this video I'm gonna quickly show you the function of this back button on your AirPods Pro 2nd generation USB-C case. So with this button you can actually do two things. You can enter for the pairing mode or perform the hard reset. If you want to enter the pairing mode, you have to just open the case, click and hold this button, and now just wait until it starts blinking like that. Right now we are in the pairing mode, so the AirPods are visible to other devices. And the second function is to perform the hard reset, so we have to click and hold it one more time. And right now you have to hold this button until this indicator turns to the red. It will blink like 3 times and then it will again turns to the white. So just take a look. There we go, and the hard reset is finished. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.